Привет, друзья! Hello, guys! Welcome back to the channel. Меня зовут Chris, and I make videos here on YouTube and on my Patreon page on Russian language to make the process of learning Russian interesting and fun for you. So today we are going to discuss one interesting grammar construction. If you want to express your regrets that something didn't happen in the past, if you want something like, if you had visited us yesterday, we would have had a lot of fun. So that something didn't happen and you want to express maybe your regrets that it didn't happen, or just express what would have happened if something had happened. How we can do it in Russian? To be honest, very simple. You can use this бы particle plus past. For example, let's have a sentence we just had. For example, if you had visited us yesterday, we would have had good time together. Если бы, and here we put если бы, they go together. Если бы ты приехал вчера, если бы ты приехал вчера, so we put если бы together, and then a sentence in the past. Если бы ты приехал вчера. And that would mean if you had come yesterday, if you had visited yesterday. Мы бы хорошо провели время. To spend time means провести время, проводить время. Мы бы, and here in the main part where you want to say we would have spent good time, мы, you put first the subject, then бы, this little particle, then past. Мы бы хорошо провели время. So basically you need бы in both parts and you need past in both parts. In if, we use бы after if, если бы, and in the main part we usually put бы after the subject. Let's practice more. Например, если бы ты был в Италии, ты бы попробовал настоящую пиццу. If you had been in Italy, you would have tried a real pizza. Если бы ты был в Италии, ты бы попробовал настоящую пиццу. So, попробовал пиццу, that is accusative, that's why pizza becomes пиццу. Ты бы попробовал настоящую пиццу. The same grammar we use when you want to discuss something that is impossible in present, for example, or in general. For example, if you want to say something like, if it was Sunday today, we would go to the park. The same grammar. Если бы сегодня было воскресенье, было, because воскресенье is neutral. Если бы сегодня было воскресенье, we would go to the park, мы бы пошли в парк. Если бы сегодня было воскресенье, a lot of бы, мы бы пошли в парк. Let's practice. I will tell you English sentence, then you can put the video on pause, try to make your own Russian sentence, and then you will come back and check it out together with us. Например, if we had a dog, we would go for a walk in the park more often. So, put the video on pause, translate it first, and 1, 2, 3. So, if we had a dog, если бы у нас была собака, we would go for a walk more often. Мы бы ходили гулять чаще. Если бы у нас была собака, мы бы ходили гулять чаще. Let's take one more. If it was winter today, we would go skiing. If it was winter today, we would go skiing. So, 1, 2, 3. If it was winter today, если бы сегодня была зима, Если бы сегодня была зима, we would go skiing. Мы бы пошли кататься на лыжах. So to go skiing, that is кататься на лыжах. Well, basically, skiing, it's just кататься на лыжах. It's like ride on their like skis, basically. Кататься на лыжах. Мы бы пошли кататься на лыжах. Let's take one more. Например, if you had told me about this yesterday, I would have already done it. If you had told me about it yesterday, I would have already done it. So, 1, 2, 3. If you had told me yesterday. Если бы ты сказал or сказала, here it depends who we are addressing to. Если бы ты сказал мне вчера об этом, about this, если бы ты сказал мне вчера, I would have already done it. Я бы уже сделала это. So here we use the perfective form of the verb. Я бы уже сделала это. Alright, guys, I hope this construction was useful. If you'd like to get a worksheet with more tasks and answers to see how good you understood it and how fluent you can use it now, you can check my Patreon page. I will leave the link in the description. Also, if you would like to support my channel, I'm really grateful for all my patrons. Thanks to you guys, this channel exists, and I will see you in the next video. Пока-пока!